I am raw papaya and not so popular. Raw papaya has umpteen health benefits and is often a neglected vegetable. It could be used in lieu of ash gourd, bottle gourd to make sambar, sabji, etc. Namaskaram, I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on MUNCH&MULL. Now let's see what we gain by including raw papaya in our diet. Christopher Columbus called the papaya the fruit of the angels. Raw papaya is rich in dietary fiber, potassium, folic acid, which is a B complex vitamin, vitamin C and vitamin A. Thus, regular consumption of raw and ripe papaya helps boost immunity. Papaya are also rich in flavonoids, polyphenols, which act as antioxidants, and antioxidants play a major role in skin care by reducing inflammation that causes acne. The antioxidants in green papaya are also known to help in firming the skin and reducing wrinkles, and therefore papaya extracts are used in anti-aging creams. The flesh from both green and ripe papaya has also been shown to have anti-hyperglycemic activity, that is, ability to reduce blood glucose levels. It is also known to have anti-cancer activity. Enzyme Papain is a protein digesting enzyme which is isolated from unripe papaya pulp. Papain is reported to be one of the earliest substances used in wound care and chronic skin ulcer therapy because of its antibacterial and prevents blood clots from growing and becoming problematic. Papain is beneficial for people with digestive or pancreatic problems. Papain also has been shown to destroy the negative effects of gluten on the intestine. So it is not just gluten free, it is anti-gluten. Green and ripe papaya act as a natural laxative and is extremely effective in relieving constipation. Papaya also aids in reducing menstrual irregularities and promotes natural menstruation flow in women. Interestingly, research also reinforces the traditional wisdom that papaya is not suitable for pregnant women as the latex is documented to cause uterine contractions. And now, this gets me mulling about the papaya. As we have seen, raw papaya are a rich storehouse of nutrients. People in the cities generally tend to buy cauliflowers, cabbage, carrots, potatoes, and even exotic vegetables like broccoli. And these non-glamorous vegetables like raw papaya, raw banana get left out in the whole process. Interestingly, raw papaya is much cheaper than the other vegetables and also is available throughout the year and can be easily grown if you have a home garden. And do you know that enthusiastic city farmers have grown papaya in their balconies and terraces also? Therefore, should we not be including these non-glamorous vegetables more often in our diet? Are you inspired to bring raw papaya back into your diet? Hey, have you subscribed to MUNCH&MULL? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.